Good morning, JC Premier. This is Aubrey Miles. We have just arrived in Incheon, Korea.
Yes!
Ay, grabe! Trip come true!
Nung araw naalala ko, sa Luneta, Chinese Garden, pinapasyal ako ng lola ko. Pero grabe, sa JC Premier, ipapasyal ka sa Jade Garden, Korea!
Yari ka!
Han Dynasty naman to, nung nakaraan, Chin Dynasty. Anong Dynasty kasi susunod? JC Premier Dynasty Power.
Ngayon po ay nandito tayo sa Oakland Ski Resort. Tayo po ay mag-uulat tungkol po sa lagay ng panahon na nangyayari ho dito sa Korea. Sa kasalukuyan, ngayon po ay negative 15 degrees. Kung mapapansin ninyo mga kapuso, kapatid, kaibigan at ka-JC Premier, sa bandang likuran ko ho ay nagyeyelo na ho. So yan lamang po, ako nga po pala si Raymond de los Reyes, nag-uulat live.
If you love somebody, better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know what went well, then again it just depends on how long the time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest rivers. You can have it all, but now keep moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of you. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting this long, to hold it in for a while. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of you. I've tried to cut these corners, try to take the easy way.
Sulit na sulit ang pagsusumikap namin sa JC Premier. Yung pagod, yung hirap, grabe. Eto na yung kapalit. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Korea. Pa-ski-ski na!
Traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down.
JC Premier in Korea. Girl power!
Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile it, to hold it in for a while. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child.
This is JC Premier Extreme! Ha! Grabe, panis! Ang dali lang pala mag-ski. Ang sarap, grabe, bakit?
Power!
Power, JC Premier! Thank you! Welcome to the good life!
Magbabatuhan kami ng snow!